going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. You're here with the investment channel. Guys, I got a oh, by the way, my birthday is like what, in 3 hours. By the time you watch this, I'm not sure if it's gonna be uploaded or not, because I'm having some technical difficulties because I'm not in the stoop. So yeah, birthday coming soon. You know the vibes. But I got I believe a pretty nice Chinese penny stock again, and this one might be for a longer term. Okay, we are doing pretty good with LKCO, I say loco, and bruh, mad mosquitoes. But I believe this one has pretty good potential also in the long term. Okay, so what is it? Before I tell you what is it, I'm gonna show you something real quick here. So you see this article by Forbes. So the rise of online learning. Okay, so I'm gonna read this right here. So I'm gonna go. The pandemic has forced schools, universities, and companies to remote working, and this booms the usage of online learning. Even before the pandemic, research and market forecasts the online education market as 350 billion by 2025. So the numbers might be updated after analyzing the growth impacts of COVID-19 on the online learning market, which I believe is going to go even higher. That's basically what they're saying. Now, what stock are we talking about? Alrighty, so we are talking about STG, ticker sign STG. Okay, that's for Sunlands Technology Group. So what do? I'm going to read it real quick here just so you guys can see it. But they are basically a market leader in China about post-secondary or studies and like universities for people who are looking to get like their masters and like anything besides, let's say, high school diploma. And the good thing about it, let me read it real quick. Sunlands Online Education Group is the leader in China's online post-secondary and professional education. We have a deep understanding of the educational needs of Sunlands prospective students and offer solutions that help them achieve their goals. We offer various degrees and diploma-oriented post-secondary sunglasses through Sunlands online platform. In addition, we offer online professional sunglasses and educational content to help students prepare for professional certification exams and obtain professional skills. All right, so and what do we know? So let's look here in the U.S. So right now in the U.S., we all know that universities, they make a lot of money. Okay, and for what I've been reading on this company, they have been partnering with a lot of universities, if I'm not mistaken, back in Q3 when they released their earnings, when they're called, which you gotta go read it or listen to it. So they literally increased everything on the balance sheet, everything compared to year over year, even like by quarter compared to last year. They literally increased everything, and they are expecting to see this growth keep going, which is why I say it's not. I feel like it's gonna be a really good short-term play. I feel like it's gonna go again just because of the chart. By looking at the chart, I can already tell that thing's probably gonna start going up. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't trade because I'm saying so, but I believe it's probably gonna pop off very soon. I don't have a position on it, so I'm bringing it to you guys the same time I found it, and I actually found it yesterday or so. I wanted to bring a video. I wanted to do a video on it, but it really didn't matter because the market's not gonna open until Tuesday, and I can already have a feeling that it's gonna open up higher than it is right now. And let me show you something real quick. This is a graph, right? And one thing I can tell you, let's go back to the 2-year. You see this double top right there at 53 and at 53 right here. So that's on the 5th. This is on the 9th, and it broke it. So that basically confirmed to me that now it wants to really go up. Because if you see it, let's go back to March. So before March, before like Corona and everything hit here in America and all the stocks, so it was like over $2, right? It came down all the way down to 80 cents. Try to go up again, going down, and then we see this pattern right there. That was right there. It was the resistance line. I'm gonna see if you guys can see it. See this right there, that downtrend. That's the resistance line right there. So and then it went as low as $1 back in December, and now it's up to $1.61. And because of that double top right there, it has to. It's gonna break. It's gonna break out, I believe so. But not just that. I feel like right now it's a really good entry point for long-term investing as well. Not just like trading, but that's my call on that. And especially when, see how it hit 80 cents right there, and then it bottom higher than previously. And that I just love when a chart looks like that. So we know that back in like 2018 it was at $11. It dropped down to $8, went back up to double digits, and then just like down. Okay, so just read a little bit more on the company. So it's very promising, and especially like what they're trying to do. And you know how like COVID now has impacted a lot of jobs. Now people most likely will start requiring like more like certificates and like more diplomas and stuff like that. And they come now in a place in the marketplace right now that it's going to be pretty easy to people to actually like start getting their degrees done online. And I feel like they're in a pretty good market, especially now. They're only worth right now, I think the market cap is around 200 something million, if I'm not mistaken. Double check that, 272 million. And this space is basically projected to keep growing by 2025, even higher by Forbes. It's probably going to be over 350 billion. Okay, so it's going to be in it's a very, I feel like it's a really good long term, especially listening to the third quarter earnings, where they came out and literally said a lot of numbers went up on everything, literally everything. The only thing is that wasn't like so positive about the earnings. I think they said CEO said that they're expecting the fourth quarter to actually like go down just a little bit. Okay, what they were expecting from like revenue wise. Not so worried about it, to be honest, because I feel like that gave us a opportunity to start buying in. But obviously that's me. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just keep this on my radar, because starting on Tuesday, I'm most likely gonna start buying this stock, and I'm only bringing it to you guys because, well, you know, I don't have a Discord, I don't have a Patreon, anything like that. So everything I do right now is for free. So obviously I do want to bring it to you guys before I even get into this kind of place. But yeah, keep that on your radar. So that's STG, Sunlands Technology. I feel like it has a lot of potential, man. I like stocks that are like beaten down, or even like I did a quick YouTube search, maybe like 3, maybe 4 people talking about this stock in like a couple months ago or so, and that's what I like. Not everybody is really talking about this, and I love entering stocks that have potential and that's not really spoken around the internet like crazy, you know. And it just gives me the opportunity to capitalize on any, like, if I want like short terms or like long term gains better than, like, let's say somebody else, you know. I even went to Yahoo Finance. Maybe 100 people were talking about it. Like the total conversation log, it's like 100 people. Like if I compare it to, let's say, Foresight, it's probably like getting close to 3,000. So it's one of those things that I do want to get in early, and I feel like right now it's pretty early. And with the reversal that I'm seeing in the chart right now, that gives me more like certainty that this thing will probably start moving in the right direction. 2021 we're probably going to look very good for it, especially given the COVID-19 and everything. But yeah, hi guys, so this is my girlfriend. She is going to be buying STG, right?
Yes.
How much did you make on, well, local?
$50.
Was it?
$100? I don't know.
Yo, she knew about Foresight when it was like $1, and she didn't buy it, and then now she's like kind of mad that she never actually bought in, and now everything I'm buying in like earlier, she's getting in. But yeah, that's the game, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this content, I'm here on vacation, my girl, and I'm still posting videos, which is insane. I should not be posting videos right now, but you know, I kind of enjoy doing this. Yeah, go ahead and please leave me a like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. By the way, we're almost at $500 for the entire ad revenue since I got monetized. And by the end of February, when we hit February, hopefully it's gonna be over $1,000. I don't know if it's gonna be there, but I am giving away 10% of that to 10 people, so that'll be 1% per person. It's pretty good giveaway. I feel like it. Hopefully it's gonna be enough for like at least one Foresight share. You know, never know. But guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. You have a great day. Bye.